This is how a self-assessment activity looks like as a student. The numbered steps shown here reflect how the teacher has set up the activity, first showing the instructions, then a space to hand in work, then we'll review our work, see an overview of all the comments, and finally there's space for a reflection and grades, if those are enabled. Let's go through from the top to see how this learning flow works. So in step 1, after reading the instructions and working on my assignment, I'll need to hand in my work in step 2, hand in. Here I'll click Select File, choose my work, and upload my file. If I uploaded the wrong document, I can click the bin icon to delete and resubmit my assignment as long as the submission deadline has not yet passed. After submitting my assignment, I can immediately review myself based on criteria set by the teacher. So how do I do that? In step 3, review your own work, simply clicking on this bar with my name and selecting my work, I'll be taken to the document review interface. In the main screen, I'll see my work, and in the sidebar on the right, I can see the different criteria to consider when giving my feedback. It looks like I've got 3 criteria and need to write at least 1 comment per criterion, as well as scoring myself from 0 to 4. In my document, I can select a section that I want to give feedback on, using the drop-down menu to select a criterion to which my comment will apply. Then I'll write my comment and click on Post to submit it. It's also possible to include a voice note or attachment, and I can delete any accidental posts if necessary. After clicking Post, my feedback comment appears on the document with this new green icon indicating that there is a comment on this section. Clicking the arrow in the top brings me to an overview of the criteria where I can score myself with a scale rating for each criterion, see the required feedback comments, and even add more feedback comments per criterion. Clicking the arrow in the top left again, I can now go back to the main page and scroll down to step 4, Read Received Feedback, to review the comments I made earlier. And down at step 5, Reflect on the assignment, there can be a step for reflection if my teacher has enabled this optional step. The same is true for grading, which my teacher may or may not have included. If they have, my grades will appear down here when published. And that's it. Don't forget, if you run into trouble, our support team is never more than 5 minutes away on weekdays, and our help center is always available for more information.